Hello friends, today I have brought current affairs MCQs for BPSC PT exam. So it includes national and international topics and answer is one word answer without explanation. Question number 1, which country hosted the G20 summit in 2023? A. India, B. Indonesia, C. Italy, D. Brazil. Answer is A. India. Question number 2, in Union Budget 24-25, the fiscal deficit target is set at A. 5.5% of GDP, B. 5.1% of GDP, C. 4.9% of GDP, D. 6% of GDP. Answer is B. 5.1% of GDP. Question number 3. Who is the current Chief Justice of India as of 2025? A. N.V. Ramanna, B. D.Y. Chandrachud, C. Sharad Arvind Bobde, D. U. Lalit. Answer is Sharad Arvind Bobde. Question number 4. Which Indian city was declared the World Bank Capital of 2024 by UNESCO? A. Kolkata, B. New Delhi, C. Ahmedabad, D. Mumbai. Answer is C. Ahmedabad. Question number 5. Which state topped 2024 Niti Aayog's SDG Index, Sustainable Development Goal? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Sikkim. Answer is A. Kerala. Question number 6. India's Chandrayaan 3 mission successfully landed on which lunar region? A. South Pole, B. Equatorial Zone, C. North Pole, D. Mare Imbrium. Answer is A. South Pole. Question number 7. Who won the 2024 Nobel Peace Prize? A. Maria Ressa, B. Alexei Navalny, C. Narges Mohammadi, D. Greta Thunberg. Answer is Narges Mohammadi. Question number 8. BharatNet project is related to A. Rural electrification, B. Broadband connectivity, C. Solar power generation, D. Road construction. Answer is B. Broadband connectivity. Question number 9. Which river has been declared as a living entity by the Uttarakhand High Court? A. Ganga and Jamuna, B. Brahmaputra, C. Kaveri, D. Godavari. Answer is A. Ganga and Jamuna. Question number 10. India's first AI-based judgment translation system was launched by A. Election Commission of India, B. Supreme Court of India, C. Niti Aayog, D. Ministry of Law and Justice. Answer is B. Supreme Court of India. Question number 11, that is from Indian Polity and Constitution. The preamble of the Indian Constitution was amended only once by the A. 42nd Amendment, B. 44th Amendment, C. 61st Amendment, and D. 73rd Amendment. Answer is A. 42nd Amendment. Question number 12. Right to education is a fundamental right under which article? A. Article 19, B. Article 21, A. C. Article 29, and D. Article 30. Answer is B. Article 21A. 13. Question number. Which schedule of the Constitution deals with the anti-defecation law? A. 7th, B. 8th, C. 10th, and D. 12th. Answer is C. 10th. Question number 14. The President of India can dissolve the Lok Sabha on the advice of A. Chief Justice of India, B. Prime Minister, C. Speaker of Lok Sabha, D. Vice President. Answer is B. Prime Minister. Question number 15. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? A. B. N. Rao, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. B. R. Ambedkar, D. K. M. Munshi. Answer is C. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Section. Now, question is from especially from Bihar. Question number 16. Who was the first Chief Minister of Bihar? A. Shri Krishna Singh, B. Karpuri Thakur, C. Dr. Jagannath Mishra, D. Nitish Kumar. Answer is A. Shri Krishna Singh. Question number 17. Bodh Gaya is located on the bank of which river? Son, A. Son, B. Falgu, C. Gandak, D. Kosi. Answer is B. Falgu. Question number 18. The Nalanda University was destroyed in 12th century by A. Bakhtiyar Khilji, B. Alauddin Khilji, C. Muhammad Ghori, D. Kutubuddin Aibaka. Answer is A. Bakhtiyar Khilji. Question number 19. Which festival is celebrated mainly in Mithila region of Bihar? A. Chhath Puja, B. Durga Puja, C. Sonpur Mela, D. Sama Chakeva. Answer is D. Sama Chakeva. Question number 20. Kavar Lake in Bihar is famous for being A. Asia's largest freshwater oxbow lake, B. India's largest saltwater lake, C. Bihar's deepest man-made lake, D. Largest thermal power reservoir in Bihar. Answer is A. Asia's largest freshwater oxbow lake. Now question from Indian history. Question number 21. The permanent settlement in Bihar was introduced by A. Lord Dalhousie, B. Lord Cornwallis, C. Warren Hastings, and D. Lord Curzon. Answer is B. Lord Cornwallis. Question number 22. The Champaran Satyagraha of 1917 was related to A. Salt tax, B. Indigo plantation, C. Railway strike, D. Peasant land tax. Answer is B. Indigo plantation. Question number 23. Who was the Viceroy of India during Quit India movement? A. Lord Irwin, B. Lord Linlithgow, C. Lord Wavell, and D. Lord Mountbatten. Answer is B. Lord Linlithgow. Question number 24. Who founded the Maurya Empire? A. Bindusar, B. Ashok, C. Chandragupta Maurya, D. Chanakya. Answer is C. Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 25. The Swadeshi movement began in response to A. Jallianwala Bagh massacre, B. Rowlatt Act, C. Partition of Bengal in 1905, D. Simon Commission. Answer is C. Partition of Bengal in 1905. Now question from geography. 26 question number. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states in India? A. 6, B. 7, C. 8, D. 9. Answer is C. 8. Question number 27. The highest peak in Bihar is A. Mount Everest, B. Someshwar Fort Hill, C. Gudpa Hill, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Gudpa Hill. Question number 21. Which is the southernmost point in India? A. Kanyakumari, B. Indira Point, C. Pamban Islands, D. Lakshadweep. Answer is B. Indira Point. Question number 29. Which river is known as Sorrow of Bihar? A. Ganga, B. Kosi, C. Gandak, D. Bagmati. Answer is B. Kosi. Question number 30. The Hirakud Dam is built on which river? A. Godavari, B. Mahanadi, C. Krishna, D. Narmada. Answer is B. Mahanadi. Now questions from economy. The term repo rate is related to A. Income tax rate, B. Interest rate at which RBI lends to bank, C. Export duty rate, D. Stock market rate. Answer is B. D option is stock market commission. Answer is B. Interest rate at which RBI lends to bank. Question number 32. Which organization publishes the World Economic Outlook report? A. World Bank, B. IMF, C. WTO, D. UNDP. Answer is B. IMF. Question number 33. Make in India campaign was launched in A. 2014, B. 2016, C. 2012, D. 2018. Answer is A. 2014. Question number 34. Which tax replaced multiple indirect taxes in India in 2017? A. VAT, B. GST, C. Service tax, D. Excise duty. Answer is B. GST. Question number 35. The Planning Commission of India was replaced by A. Economic Advisory Council, B. Finance Commission, C. Niti Aayog, and D. National Development Council. Answer is C. Niti Aayog. Thank you. If you like, please share it with your friends.